Hello and welcome to today's video that is brought to you by my Patreons. If you also appreciate my content, would like to support my channel, don't hesitate to visit my Patreon page, the link is in the description. Today I have a cello again, like the last time, and this cello has two different issues. The first one is the cracks that you see in the top. One here, a big one here, a couple of small ones here and there. And the second problem is more a construction issue. This instrument should be a barok cello. As you see, it has a maple fingerboard with decoration, but it is broken here. That's why also all the cracks on the top. But the neck is not put on the body correctly. It is not put in the barok way, but also not in the modern way. That means that I will have to remove it in some way. I still don't know exactly how they have put it in place, and correct it. That will be the second part of the repair of this instrument. Today I'm going to work on the top, and I will start immediately by removing the top so I can work on the cracks. The top is off. It was not too hard. Now I will put away the sides and the neck. I will work on these on the upcoming video. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. And I will start gluing everything together again. I have seen that the bass bar has come off together with a part of the top, so this crack that goes until here, can you see it? Yes, you can see it, until here, underneath goes almost until the end of the bass bar. Anyway, fortunately I just bought a new bottle of glue, so I have more than enough glue to put everything together again. And no, Titebond is not a sponsor of this channel. The glue is dry, I can remove the clamps and go ahead and glue this crack and this big one. I will stop with this one because it is too much to clamp to. There are a lot of clamps and it is heavy. I will put it away and go ahead later. Once again the glue is dry, so I can remove the clamps. Going ahead, I want to glue this crack here, that disappears here a little bit, because it goes under the base bar. So I will have to glue here and put glue under the base bar. Some hours later I can remove the clamps again. Finally, I can glue the last two cracks, one here and a small one here. For the last time I can remove all these clamps, as these last cracks are also dry. And then I can go ahead to the next step, and that will be, of course, to reinforce all these cracks. I will put small patches at the inner side, of course, and I will use the airplane plywood also for these, as it is very thin, strong and light, and I have to put a lot of them. So saving a bit in weight will be very good. Let me cut a whole bunch of them and start gluing them on place. For the last time I can remove the clamps. And so the top is in one piece again and reinforced. That means that I could go ahead and glue it on the ribs again, but I don't want to do that because I have to work on the neck. I have to remove it out of the body. But that is something that we are going to do in the upcoming video. So, look at it. It looks much better like that. Reinforced the inner side. I have still to color and clean it, but I will do that at the end. And as I said, I have to work on this part in the next video. This is made in the barok way. I want to remove the neck out of the body and reposition it. But as you see, the top is in one piece here, so the neck goes under the top. Anyway, I will explain you everything in the upcoming video. That means that we arrived at the end of this one. Thank you very much for watching. Many thanks as always to the Patreons for supporting the channel. I really appreciate that. Don't hesitate to visit my Patreon page as the Etsy shop for the clocks. And I will see you next time again. Bye bye!